Hello everybody. Namaskar. I am Aditi Gupta. I am a life and business coach and strategist, and I am here today to discuss with you the power of prayer. It is often said that a prayer works wonders when nothing is working. But the question is, what it is that makes the prayer work? And more importantly, how can you make your prayer more effective? Now, let us consider that there are two people, A and B. And B's health is down. He is not well. Now, the subconscious mind of B has full power to make the health of B better, provided that the subconscious mind gets this command to make the health of B better. But B is not giving this command to his subconscious mind to make his health better. So, can the subconscious mind get this command from somewhere else? The answer is yes. If the person A prays for B, that B's health gets better, then the vibrations of this prayer will reach the subconscious mind of B and it will start working to make the health of B better. This is the power of prayer, and this is how prayer works. Take another example. Suppose you are going to an interview. You have an interview tomorrow and you have to go to it. Now, if you pray to the God that you stay fresh and confident in the interview, and whenever something is asked, you are able to recollect that knowledge within you and reproduce it in the answers in the interview, then the vibrations of this prayer are going to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will start working to make these things true. And this will help you in the interview. There are three things which are important for the prayer to be effective. First is that it needs to be done with a pure heart. Second is the intentions behind doing the prayer should be correct. They should be pure. And third is the content of the prayer, that what you are praying for. That is very important. If you are good with these three, then your prayer is certainly going to be very effective. So this is how the prayer works and what is the power of prayer. If you have anything to say to me, any experiences, any questions, you can write down in the comment section below. For any other information, you can visit my website. It is given in the YouTube description box below. And if you want that I make a video on a certain topic, please mention that topic in the comment section below. Also, from time to time my online workshops happen, so you are welcome to attend them. And now I pray to this divinity that it always stays with you, it keeps you healthy, makes you prosperous, guides you in the right direction, and may you always stay close to Mother Nature. With this prayer, I'll see you next time. Thank you.